Hey everyone, it's me, Steve. It is January 9th, 2019. Time's about 8 a.m. in the morning. I'm sitting in front of the office getting ready to go into work, and it is Geo-Rant time. I'm going to do this as a Geo-Rant number 86, I believe. I'm going to talk about ultraviolet flashlights because people have asked me about them and hunting Yooperlites. I'm linking below my most recent Yooperlite video where we got decent footage of hunting these things in the field on the beach. I tried to hit one in the daylight sitting here with the ultraviolet flashlight. I can see it with my eyes, but it looks like garbage on the camera here. But anyway, okay, so in an earlier video, I made the mistake of saying shortwave. You do not want a shortwave UV flashlight. You want long wave. Let me say that again. You want long wave. Most commercial UV flashlights are long wave flashlights, okay? We go get these from Walmart.com. I think they're $13.50 a piece. There, you may see some commercial ones out and about, and they could be $25, $30. Some of the small compact Maglite ones can even run you $50. But these exact ones, I've seen these in shops for like $30. If you want to help them out and pay that money, go ahead. But you can get them for cheaper. Just letting you know. Like I said, long wave. And if you go to Walmart.com and type in ultraviolet flashlight, the long wave is going to come up. But there's generally two choices. It'll look exactly like this if you get them in the store or Walmart. We get the 100 LEDs, as you can see here. You can get ones of 50. What's the difference? Well, 100 LEDs, you can push the UV lights a little further, and you don't have to bend down as much. You can stand up fully and just do this. And you're going to see the Yooperlites in the field. They're plain as day. On the beach, you've got a couple things that fluoresce, but mostly it'll be green and white, and these fluoresce like construction safety orange. Okay, that's just that's how they fluoresce. They stand out like a sore thumb. But anyway, not going to point this directly at there, but you can see, there you go. Turn it on. It doesn't even look purple in there. But as you can see from the reflection, there is a filter on this. This one is plastic. Our other one, it was glass. There doesn't seem to be any rhyme or reason as to if they use plastic or glass. Well, we cracked our first one, prompting this one. And like I said, these are cheap. If you crack the filter's there to protect the bulbs underneath. It's not the end of the world. It's just unsightly. It will still work. Just be careful, all right? I mean, it has this here so you can put it around your wrist. Okay, because especially in the winter, if you're like us and hunt Yooperlites in the winter and you drop this on the beach, not only are there hard stones, but they're frozen hard stones as well. Something else, the most expensive part of this thing is not the light itself. It is the batteries. Hold on, this is going to take me a second. And it takes 6 AA batteries, all right? So make sure you have those. We are still on our first flashlight. We are still on the first set of batteries, and we've run that thing for over an hour at a time. So they seem to last pretty decently, but that's what the flashlight looks like. This does come with something else if you order this, and because you can actually use this for other things. It comes with these yellow glasses. You do not need these to hunt Yooperlites. You don't. You can just look. Never shine that flashlight in your eyes. And I suggest, even if you shine it at the ground, you're looking at the ground, your eyes are not made to pick up ultraviolet light, okay? So don't do it for like an hour at a time. Your eyes will start to feel weird if you do it for extended periods of time. Take a break. Turn it off for a minute or two. It's not the end of the world. But why are these in there? Well, if you're like me and you have many pets, like say, I don't know, 5 cats, and there's a room, I don't know, in the house devoted strictly to their litter boxes, an entire room. You put those on and then take the UV flashlight and hit the floor or something, the walls with it. If there's urine there, it will look yellow. So if you have your animals peeing on things, you can see where they've been peeing with that on, all right? So just a little helpful tip that doesn't have to do with Yooperlites there. But anyway, I've already shown these before, but I'm going to show them again. These are the Yooperlites we got last time we were out there. Basically, here's the geo part. Here's what they look like. They're basically black and white rocks. Nothing special in surface appearance here or anything. You can see the black is actually hornblende or biotite. In this particular one, I think it's hornblende. The black does not fluoresce, and it will be at different. You can see there's some pink in here, but mostly they're white, light gray to gray in color overall, okay? Now, the white and light gray and slight pink parts are mostly alkali feldspars. But there's voids in here, so there's no quartz in these rocks because you can't get quartz, can't get primary quartz when you have voids. And the voids that are present are is sodinite or nepheline. Sodinite is what fluoresces, and it'll be parts of the rock. And when you hit it with the light, like I said, this doesn't work on camera, so I'm not going to show you, at least not during the day. You hit it with the UV light, you'll see bands and streaks of bright fluorescent orange. The rock will look purple, and then you'll see the orange. That's how you know you have a Yooperlite. All right? And sodinite in its natural color, in its natural mineral form, is blue. But in these rocks, it's white, maybe slightly bluish, slightly grayish, even slightly pinkish. And we know it's sodinite for sure. Minerals can have different colors. I mean, I have calcite that's white, green, blue, pink. You know, they can come in different colors. It's due to impurities within the minerals. And that's what makes it fluoresce, all right? So that's just a quick geo part about that. But anyway, remember, when you order these flashlights, you want long wave. Most commercial ones are. But anyway, I think that's gone on long enough. That's it. Hope you learned something. If you have any questions or comments below, feel free to ask. Thanks.